Hey traders, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to clear your chart in the TradingView mobile application, whether you want to remove drawings, indicators or both. So let's get into it. First, open the TradingView application on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the chart tab at the bottom of your screen. Now look at the bottom of your chart. Here you will see a pencil icon. Tap on that to open the drawing tools. Here, swipe through the tool options until you see the remove option. Tap on it. Here you will get three clear options: remove drawings, remove indicators, and remove both. Just tap on whichever one you need. For example, tap remove drawings to delete all your trend lines and shapes. Remove indicators to get rid of all technical studies. You can also choose remove drawings and indicators for a full cleanup. Let me go with the third option. And just like that, your chart is fresh and ready for a new setup. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more TradingView mobile tutorials. Comment below if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.